Once you've downloaded your zipped file from Etsy, it's probably going to go into your downloads folder. The file is going to look like this. It's going to have a file cabinet with whatever this gear thing is. You just right click on it. And I have 7-Zip, which is a free archiving program. It compresses files. Anyway, it's free. 7-Zip. I do not use WinZip. I use 7-Zip. So right click on your file, extract here. I choose to extract it right here in my downloads. And then there's the open file. It's unzipped, which means I can get to it. So when I go into Photoshop and I file open and I go to my downloads, there's the zipped file, there's the unzipped file, double click, and there's the image.